Hello and welcome back to lesson 4 of your IELTS review video. Today we're going to be looking at questions involving your country. So let's get started. So, the first question will always be, tell me a little bit about your country. Now, a basic answer would be, my country is China. It's a big country with a rich history and diverse culture. And for most people that's okay, but we want to go a bit further. China is a vast and ancient land, boasts a fascinating blend of traditions, modernity, and a remarkable cultural heritage. Which part of your country do most people live in? Many people live in cities like Beijing and Shanghai. Or you can say the majority of the population resides in urban centres, with Beijing, Shanghai, and other bustling metropolises attracting the highest concentration of people. Where is your country located? China is in Asia. Oh, what a boring answer. You can do better than that. China is situated in East Asia, sharing the borders with numerous countries including Russia, India, and Vietnam. Tell me about the main industries in your country. China has a strong manufacturing industry and is known for producing various products. That's not entirely true. China has a diverse economy with major industries encompassing manufacturing, technology, agriculture, and services. Next question, what are some of the good things and some of the bad things about living in your country? As soon as you hear the word "and" in a question, it means you have to say two things. Do not forget that. Good things are food and the culture, bad things are the traffic. That's a pretty simple sentence. We want a complex compound sentence, okay? So living in China offers the delights of its rich culinary traditions and the chance to immerse oneself in a captivating cultural tapestry. However, challenges such as the urban congestion can be drawbacks. Right, so there aren't a lot of questions on this topic, so I'm going to go very quickly to the reading. So read along with me, and if you don't understand anything, just stop, pause, take a moment to get ready, and then carry on. That'd be right. So China, a country steeped in history and innovation, is a captivating tapestry of tradition and progress. From its expansive landscapes to its bustling cities, China offers a rich array of experiences that capture the imagination of both travelers and residents alike. China encompasses a wide range of landscapes and climates. Each region offers a unique perspective on the country's natural beauty. Geographical diversity contributes to varied cuisine, languages, and cultural practices. China's cities are modern marvels that coexist with historical landmarks. Metropolises like Shanghai showcase cutting-edge architecture and innovative technology. Beijing's iconic Great Wall and Forbidden City remind visitors of China's ancient legacy. China's economic growth and innovation contribute to its global influence. China is a global economic powerhouse known for its robust manufacturing industry and technological advancements. Ambitious initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative and the Space Exploration Project showcase China's determination to shape the future. Celebration of ancient traditions through festivals like Lunar New Year and the Dragon Boat Festival. China's cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors and regional specialities. The culinary journey in China reflects the nation's diversity. Language barriers and cultural nuances can pose hurdles for expatriates, but the warm hospitality of locals fosters a sense of community and support. Living in China presents a mix of opportunities and challenges. Rapid urbanization brings infrastructural growth but concerns about environmental sustainability. China is a multifaceted destination of endless exploration. Vastness and diversity ensure new discoveries around every corner. Immerse yourself in China's history, culture, and ongoing transformation. Right, so now I'm going to go on to some vocabulary that you can incorporate into your everyday speech, but more specifically, show off in your IELTS exam. So we have captivating, derivative of capturing, catch. You want to get someone's attention, you're captivating. Tapestry, a combination of elements. Expansive landscapes, we've had this one in previous episodes. Bustling cities, also had that in previous episodes. Geographical diversity, culinary treasures. Now, we had gastronomical treasures earlier, so culinary treasures are the same thing. Delicious food. Robust manufacturing industry, so a strong production sector of the economy. Tradition and innovation, cutting edge architecture, ancient legacy, seamless blend, dynamic evolution, and innovative technology. These are all words you can use for tradition and innovation. Economy and global impact, economic powerhouse, technological advancements, global scale initiatives. Festivals, cultural fabric, regional specialities. Challenges and opportunities, rapid urbanization, infrastructural growth, environmental sustainability, language barriers, cultural nuances, and warm hospitality. Positive aspects, cultural journey, modern marvels, dynamic transformation, or complexities, ambitious initiatives, cultural practices, multifaceted nature. These are all stuff words you can use, and I hope you use to get those high IELTS scores. Next is the paraphrasing exercise. Again, we have questions, statements, and descriptions. I'll help you with the first two, the third will be right. Paraphrasing questions. I suggest you look, you read, have a go yourself, and then compare. So question one is, what are some of the good things and some of the bad things about living in your country? Can you outline both the advantages and disadvantages of residing in your nation? Which part of your country do most people live in? Which region of your country does a majority of the population reside? Or tell me about the main industries in your country. Could you provide some insights into the key sectors that drive the economy of your nation? Paraphrasing statements. China is a captivating blend of tradition and progress. The allure of China lies in its harmonious combination of historical heritage and modern advancement. The geographical diversity of China influences culture and traditions. China's cultural customs are shaped by the diverse landscapes found throughout the country. China's rapid urbanization has both positive and negative effects on survival. And the environment of China is affected in various ways due to the swift urban growth. I think you can see all the paraphrasing descriptions. I'll let you enjoy your self-study. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.